getting something that they really think is just cool and interactive and fun in their learning. And this one is a virtual newsroom from middle and high schoolers, and they're using social media to debunk viral misinformation and share media literacy tips. I got caught up listening to this because it was so fun, but they have a partnership with PBS NewsHour. And so I thought that it was so great that actually kids were doing it. And I think that our kids would really like these because they made it really interesting. And it was actually like young adults being able to share those. And again, I just had to give a shout out to the New York Times, the Learning Network. One thing that they do every day is it's what's going on in this picture. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but it is one that you could use that for so many conversations around media literacy, news literacy. And so that is one, I linked it in that slide, that you could even use that every day with your kids to have a conversation around it too. So as you can see, there are so many great places that